Welcome back at 8:22. While we celebrate Taco Tuesday, you are not just limited to eating tacos today. Of course, you can eat them whenever you want. But during this Lenten season, if you're opting for tacos on Fridays that don't have meat, or if you've given up meat for Lent, we are here to help you. In the kitchen this morning, we have Camellia brand chef Jamie Warrick to share some meatless taco recipes. Chef Jamie, good morning. So good
morning.
To see you after Mardi Gras.
I know, right?
We all survived. It's always good to see smiling faces after Mardi Gras because it was a long one. But again, a lot of people are giving up meat this time of year, or they're not eating meat on Fridays.
Right.
You're here to help. What are some options as far as tacos are concerned with beans?
So beans are a great option. So if you're not going to have any meat, this is a great way to add some protein to it. And then beans are traditionally served in different Mexican-style dishes. So this works perfectly in this dish.
And they're not that expensive, too.
No.
So that's really good, too. If you don't want to replace meat with seafood, which can be kind of pricey sometimes, this is a good option, and it goes a long way. So what are we using in these tacos this morning?
We're using black beans, but you can also use red or pintos or the pink beans that are CameliaBrand.com.
Okay.
Yes.
And so what are you doing first? You're just toasting the tortilla shells?
So I'm toasting some tortillas so we can get that together. And then while we're doing that, we're going to take some of these black beans.
Okay.
We're going to add that to the bowl.
Oh, they're hot, too.
Yes.
What else is going in this mix here?
Zucchini. So we got a little bit of zucchini right here. And all of this was pre-roasted, seasoned with some cumin, some salt and pepper, some chili powder.
And the good thing about the vegetables you're using, and the good thing about not using meat or seafood, this is great for people with allergies, right?
Yes, yes. So any of these things can be interchanged for other vegetables that you like roasted. Fresh corn can be added, or roasted corn. So these are all good options. And then, of course, without the cheese, yes, it is very
And so while you get that all mixed up, I'm going to
Yes.
grab the taco shells that we toasted a little earlier and put them in this little taco. What do you call this? A taco sleigh?
holder.
A taco sleigh? I don't know.
So I also added some roasted red bell peppers and some tomato and some butternut squash.
Ooh. And all of these are really filling options too, right?
Yes.
Let's see if I can get this one in here.
And then these are pumpkin seeds.
Love pumpkin seeds.
So that adds a little bit of crunch.
Okay.
Just so anybody who doesn't like
Or two more.
soft. And then lastly, we're going to add our fresh cut avocado.
Avocado.
Yes.
Which is great because it takes on the flavor of just about whatever you mix it with,
Yes,
right?
it definitely does. And like I said, we have some cumin, we have some chili pepper, some smoked paprika in here, so it's really flavorful.
Ooh, that's pretty colors there.
Yes. It's a nice little mixture. And then don't forget the pumpkin seeds, and then we're going to start putting it in there. Make sure you don't overfill.
Or if you do, just have
And then we have some garnishes over here. We have some cotija cheese, which is a nice little crumble cheese. We have some marinated onions marinated with cilantro and lime juice. And then we have an avocado crema.
Ooh, I'll put some on top of, this will be my breakfast meatless taco.
Yes.
I love that crema there.
And some of that onion and some fresh cilantro. Do you like spicy?
Yeah.
So we have some serrano peppers here, which add a nice little spice. It's a little bit spicier than jalapeno.
Okay, that's a good warning. So I'll eat this after we finish with the segment because I don't want to burn my mouth and then I can't function.
Of course.
Well, Chef Jamie, again, this is an option you did with black beans, but you mentioned at the top of our conversation, you can kind of mix any kind of bean in you want.
Yes.
If people want more ideas, where can they go?
CameliaBrand.com. That's where all of these recipes can be found as well.
And they'll tell you how to cook the beans and everything else, all
Yes.
the tips and tricks to make sure those beans are cooked just right. Well, Chef Jamie, we appreciate you so much for making us some meatless, I'm going to call them breakfast tacos on this